Hi guys, it's Anissa from Two Traveling Texans. I'm here with Russell and we are in the Algarve in Portugal. In today's video, I want to talk about some of the things to do in the area and show you the amazing place we've been staying, the Holiday Inn Algarve. It's in Armacao de Pera and it's a great place to base yourself when you want to explore the Algarve. This is our room. We were lucky to be upgraded to an executive suite. Let's check it out. Welcome to our room. Let me give you a quick tour. First, we have a whole lounge area. This sofa actually converts into a bed, but we won't be sleeping here. And here's the bathroom. It's a good sized bathroom and it has a bath and a shower, so whatever you prefer, it's good. It's important to have a nice bathroom in a hotel room, so you won't be disappointed here. The bed looks comfortable and you can see there's plenty of storage space for those of you that like to pack a lot of clothes. And then later, I'll probably sit here and do a little vlogging. Last but not least, I've got to show you the main balcony. There's enough room there for two people to sit and have a glass of wine, maybe a meal, and just enjoy the sound of the waves. Look at the sea. Our room has not just one great view, but two great views. This way, with the Juliet balcony, we have an amazing view at the sunset because it's facing towards the west. And I love the sound of the waves. It's just so relaxing. And it's so nice to be able to have the window open, and it's January right now. One of the nice amenities that you have at the Holiday Inn Algarve is this pool. It's right on the beach, so you can look out onto the Mediterranean Sea and relax and hear the waves. Plus, you can swim in it even in the winter. They keep it heated to a perfect 26 degrees Celsius. I'll have to look up what that is in Fahrenheit. And I will be back later for a swim. We had a great time wine tasting in the Algarve today. I even bought some local wine. I'll have more information about the tour that we took in the description below, so check it out. Now I'm just gonna relax and enjoy some of this wine while I work on my blog, listen to the waves, and enjoy the last bit of this gorgeous sunset. Cheers. They have an amazing breakfast. It's served buffet style and you have lots to choose from. And everything we've tried has been delicious. You can have eggs, bacon, pastries, meats, cheeses, lots of things to choose from. And it's perfect for a big breakfast when you are getting ready to go on a hike like we are. And I'll tell you more about the hike later, and I'll put a link in the description, so check that out. We're having so much fun on this 7 Hanging Valleys walk, hike, whatever you want to call it. I guess we could send the drone down there, but that might be too scary. Look at this. I'm not sure if you call it a hole or it's really more an arc. So the hotel has live music twice a week. In the bar behind me, you can hear it. We would stay, but we're a bit tired after our hike today. So behind me is the local market, Mercado they call it. And since it's January, it's a little bit quiet now, but there's still a good selection of fresh fish. And when I say fresh fish, I mean fresh. And also some fruits and vegetables, and then I did see some, cheese and meats. The fish, we couldn't get over how fresh it was and the size of some of the squid and some of the fish. So it's definitely worth a little time to check it out, and it's very close to the hotel. Not too far from the hotel, you'll find this 17th century fort. It even has a chapel and a lovely view. It's right on the beach, so of course you can hear the waves, you can watch the people walk along the beach, and then if you want to follow me this way, you can see where you are going to get your dinner from, because we have a lot of local fishermen here, because one of my big tips is going to be eat some local fish while you're here, because it's fresh, and those are the guys that are going to get it for you. We had one of our favorite meals at this restaurant here. It was grilled golden bream, and it was cooked to perfection, and you could tell it was fresh fish, and the atmosphere being right on the beach, it's just lovely. So these are the fishermen I mentioned at the fort. You can see they're getting ready for their next trip out. They're sorting out the net. The benefits of being in the Algarve in January. Look how deserted this beach is. Our time in Portugal has come to an end. We've got to head back to the airport. But I'll have all the details about our travels on my website, twotravelingtexans.com. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We'll have more videos coming out soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.